Hello guys, welcome to Grstalks. In this video I am going to explain about the CTS Vs TCS, Cognizant Vs Tata consultancy services. Guys, I am not point outing any company because few members are asking that I was selected for CTS as well as TCS, which company is better for me to join and kickstart my career as a fresher. Many subscribers asked this question, that's why I am doing this video. I am not opposite, I am not biased to any company. Just I am going to explain, I am going to give my suggestions to the subscribers, those who are asking me to get joined into the career as a freshers. Before going to the content, if you are new to this channel, please do subscribe and like this video and share this video to your friends, those who are in dilemma in this situation, CTS versus TCS. If you subscribe this channel, we will get motivated and we will do more videos regarding your questions, right? Let's move to the content. CTS versus TCS. Its title is very beautiful. CTS is nothing but Cognizant Technology Solutions and TCS is nothing but Tata Consultancy Services, right? Initially, CTS is offering the programming analyst trainee with the package of 4 lakhs per annum. Okay, first we have to take the attribute salary, then we can move to the other things. Okay, in this present situation, in this present agenda, salary is very important. So in this competitive world, role is also very important. CTS is offering 4 lakhs as a fresher with programmer analyst training, but TCS is offering the role application developer or business development or CPM with the package of 3.36. okay, if you see in the point of salary, CTS is better, but coming to the security, TCS is better. Even you don't know how to work, they will give you chance till 1 year to 2 year. Okay, but in Cognizant it will not be like that. If you do perform well in training part, then you will be there for project. If not, then will be kick off to layoff will be happen for you. Okay, but in my point of view, Cognizant is better to kickstart your career as a fresher, because in TCS if you join for the package of 3.36, after 1 year we are having the increments, right? In that increments will be based on your performance, bucket A, bucket B, bucket C, like rating 3, 4, 5. If you got top rating 5, then you will be moved to 10% of hikes. Might be 10% of hike, in the sense 3.36, in the sense 33,000 is your hike per year. Okay, 3.36 plus 30, 3.69 will be your salary after 1 year. Coming to the Cognizant, your initial salary is 4 lakhs. If you got 10% hike based on your performance, then you will get 4.40 per annum. Okay, you are getting here 80,000 more than the TCS. But TCS company has their own benefits, because initially they conducted some proctored assignments. If you got 60%, then you will get 40,000 benefit. If you got 80%, then you will get 60,000 benefit. Of course, you will get this benefit only for 1 year, but this payslip will not be useful for you whenever you are moving to other company. Okay, they will see the payslip how much you are getting per month only. Based on that only you will get some increments in salary when you are moving to the other company, right? Here payslip is very important, and your designation is very important, and then your package is very important, and then work location is very important. But one thing is same for the CTS and TCS, both are topmost MNC companies, though both are service based companies. But if you want to go for on-sites, then CTS will give more chance to go on-sites, because the Cognizant is headquarters in other. Guys, at last my suggestion is, if you have offer in TCS with digital with the package of 7 lakhs per annum, then you can go with TCS. If you have only offer like TCS Ninja, then you can go with the CTS. But if you have confidence to make your performance into digital after joining in TCS as a ninja, then you can go with TCS. If you don't have that confidence, then you can go with Cognizant. But in the Cognizant, you don't have bond. At any time they may lay off. Based on your potential only, you should be joining TCS, whether you will be survival or not. If you are confident at survival, then you can go with Cognizant. If not, then you can play a safe game in the TCS. Okay, this is my opinion. Comment your opinions. These opinions will be helpful to your friends while watching these videos. And thank you for watching. If you want more videos, please do subscribe, share, like and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.